Wetin happen? Come. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Come and talk. Come and tell me what is happening. What happened? Wait.
Don't enter my wallet. Don't thief me. Okay, but not do that. I just leave there.
They carry.
Don't carry my wallet.
Your wallet. What happened? Hey, what happened? Yes, wanna tell me what happened? I want to see. Come. I want to help you people. Come. I want to help you people. You people should come. I want to help you people. That's why I said you people should come. What is happening? That's why I called them.
In our community.
Huh?
All those people that are bad people.
Okay, what happened?
That's not video me. That's how those people came to our community and begin to fight people. Look, they start that yellow boy in the front so where they put that shit so that it's going.
Okay.
So now we want to fight all those people who come in and leave our community, when they go where they go.
Okay.
Which that come down? I mean, I don't start for inside community and they stop people Gary. Like day for today and they start one man for inside for here.
Okay.
Let's call the man, they shoot the man because they know it. Yesterday now they call the cop, I think they pursue there. So now they all come to go fight. They can make it our chairman some opportunity. See our chairman for front today.
Okay.
Now you just see where they go. So now it's up with them.
Okay.